Hi students, let's look at this question here which involves partial fraction in our integration techniques here. So express this in a partial fraction. The first thing is to just factorize the denominator. So this case here, factorizing it, you can use your calculator to check. So you can just remember, go to this setup, go number 5 and polynomial degree of 2, and you want to solve -1, 1 and 2. So solving this will be x plus 1 and x minus 2, but just be mindful, when you factorize this will just be 2 plus x minus x squared. This is a negative value here, so this would actually just draw it out. Okay, you can just factorize this out as such. This is x squared, this is 2, so this is actually minus x, and you need this to be 2 and 1, right? So this is 2x and minus x here. Just be mindful, so this is actually 2 minus x and x plus 1. The negative is on with the x. Okay, so factorize the denominator first. So 4 minus x. Refer to the topic where we talk about the partial fraction. So 2 minus x, x plus 1. So what I do is actually just separate this out linearly. So b is 2 minus x plus b, x plus 1. Then we're just gonna make it a common denominator here. Just cross multiply it up. And this is our... Then we can just start comparing. Right, so 4 minus 5x equals to a, x plus 1 plus b, 2 minus x. We're going to replace the value in, so when x is equals to -1, 4 minus 5 minus 1 equals to -1, this will be 0, so b, 2 minus 1 will be 3, this will be 9 equals to 3b, so b will just be equal to 3. So when x equals to 2, so this will be 0, 2 minus this will be 0. So what I'll get is actually 4 minus 5 times 2, which is 10, and this will be a, 2 plus 1 will be 3 plus 0. So this case here, what I'll get is actually 4 minus 6 equals to 3a. So a equals to -2. Alright, so by partial fraction should be quite straightforward in the sense that we will get the partial fraction here as hence 4 minus 5x, this case here, over 2 plus x minus x squared will just be -2 over 2 minus x. Just follow the a and the b here that you've written, plus 3x plus 1. Okay, that's it. Now then, after which, hence integrate the next part. You know that you can't really integrate this straight away, but the partial fraction you can integrate. Okay, so this can be integrated. Integratable. Okay, this can be integrated. So we're just gonna substitute what they ask us to change. We can't integrate this at not at the very least like straight away. So we need to use the partial fraction form here. So to integrate this is to integrate this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is actually I'm gonna write this down. Hence integrating a 1, 4 minus 5x, 2 plus x minus x squared dx. This will give us 0, 1, and that will be -2, 2 minus x plus 3 x plus 1 dx. Okay, so there you go. Once I've done it, I could just integrate this. This will just be, remember, ln. So this is okay, maybe I just do this up carefully. So this is 0, 1 minus 2. Maybe okay, this is 0, 1. 3, 1 plus x plus 1 dx. Okay, this is ln. logarithmic. So this will give us negative 2 ln 2 minus x. Remember, the coefficient of x is negative 1. Don't forget that. So this is where most students will forget. The coefficient of x is negative 1. Alright, so we need to divide by the coefficient of x. And this is 3 ln x plus 1. This is 1, 0. Okay, then what you need to do is just replace it in. So this will just be 2 ln 2 minus x plus 3 ln x plus 1. 1, 0. Key in, be 2 ln 2 minus 1 plus 3 ln 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is minus of, okay, minus of 2 ln 0, so it's 2 minus 0 plus 3 ln 0 plus 1. Okay. There you go. So just simplify this. This is 2 ln 1 plus 3 ln 2 minus of 2 ln 2 plus 3 ln 1. Ln 1 is 0. Just remember that ln 1 is 0. Okay, ln 1 is 0. And what we can get is just get this as 3 ln 2 minus 2 ln 2. And this will just be ln 2. Okay, so the answer is just ln 2. So that's how you do this questionnaire proficiently. If you have any question or comments at all, please let us know. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next question.